Y81 metal hydraulic baling machine. Hydraulic baling machines are dealing with metal leftover material, steel shaving, scrap steel, scrap copper, and other metal materials. It can press these materials into qualified furnace chunks in shapes of carboys, cylinders, octagon, and other shapes, so as to reduce the cost of transportation and smelting. This product is metal hydraulic baling machine or Y81F 2135, which is exported to the UK. The bell discharging is turned on. This metal hydraulic baling machine or Y81T 160 is exported to Singapore. The bell discharging is pushed out. It can be equipped with diesel energy to generate electricity when there is no power supply. This hydraulic metal baler or Y81Q 2100 is exported to Australia. This kind of the machine is the first selection to comprise cans and plant bucket. There are two methods of control operation: manual or PLC automatic.